Hello everyone, this is Jad and today we're gonna learn how to make a paper airplane out of this piece of paper. But first of all, I just want to thank my friend Omar who's behind the camera because I didn't have a tripod, so he's holding the camera and I'm here on his kitchen counter. Anyway, if this is your first time making a paper airplane, don't worry too much about it because it was also mine a couple hours ago and I think I got a good grip on it. As you can see, there's multiple paper airplane behind me. So let's get started. So first thing first, take a piece of paper, fold it half the long way, and make a crease. Unfold the paper. Now what we're gonna do is we take this edge and line it up with the crease. Do the same thing on the other side. Now we will take this edge and line it up with the crease again. Make sure to flat out the edges. We do the same thing on the other side. Just flattening out the edges. Fold it up again. Now it should look something like this. So now what we're gonna do is we take this edge and line it up with this. Flat out the edge. Do the same thing on the other side as well. And here we go. We have our first, not mine, but probably yours, paper airplane. Well, you know, the interesting thing about this paper airplane is, have you ever asked yourself why this flies much farther than a piece of paper? Well, the reason behind it is aerodynamics. The shape makes it air resistant, the wings generates lift, and also the weight distribution. And that's why it has much range than this paper airplane. And I guess you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching and good luck.